This video is going to explain how to use a solid edge to make a plate for your exercise 4. After you start the solid edge, double check whether you have a coincident plane selected, then move to the extrude command, then move to the one of the rest plane, click. Now you are in 2D. In this 2D plane, you use a circle by center point to create 4 circles first. Move to the vertical line and click and drag away, type in 12, press return. Move your mouse to the horizontal one and when the point on indicator appears, click it again and click again. But for this circle, according to the drawing, that is the 30mm diameter. So the radius box here has to be 6.5, type 6.5. Press enter. Okay, you have a slightly large circle here. You do the same once the point on is indicator appears and click. When you draw the circle, not too close to the end, just leave some gaps here. Okay, click and right click to cancel the whole command. The next is to use the distance between to adjust the distance between these circles. So as we can have a right dimension as shown here, 66, 66, 55, 61 here. Right, so we go for the distance between here. Move to the circle first, and then you can find the center. Click and move to the line, highlighted, click, drag horizontal, vertically to get horizontal dimension. That is 66. That's in. Then move your mouse continues to the edge of the circle, so as you can find the center. Click and click again. So if you hand shape, then you fix the dimension. The way to change it is to go to select, then you click on dimension. All right. All right, click 66. Okay. Now you can move to define the distance between the horizontal and the two circles. Right click first, cancel the command. Then find the distance between again. Move the circle to find the center. Click. Go to horizontal line. Click. And drag that horizontally. Then you get the distance. Click. Enter 61 here. Move to this circle and find the center, click and drag horizontally, click. That is 55. Press enter. Right. Now you have all these small circles. When you draw lines, so as we can have a diamond shape. Before we draw lines, we need to use this smart dimension to double check the dimension here. That's 12. This is a 12. Otherwise, we need to change it. 12, 13. Right. Yeah, okay. Now we move to the line command. Click close to that point. Then move to that point roughly. It's outside the circle. Click. Right click to cancel command. Do the same. Click and click. Right click. 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 Right click. click, click, right click. So I have these 4 lines. The next is to use a tangent command to make this line tangent with circle, click and click, click line, click circle, click line, click circle, click line, click circle, click line, click circle, line. Continue to do this. Make sure these lines are all tangent to the circle. So once it's done, we can use trim. First, trim off the extra line, and then trim off these small lines at each edge, and then trim off that one. Trim off that part, that part, that part. Now you have the shape of the diamond. Then we can add holes here using circle by center point. But before we actually add them, we need to actually extrude it to make a plane. So color sketch. Okay, then we can give a thickness, which is 6. 6. Enter. Click on finish. So we have a diamond shape now. Click cancel. Then we use the cut command. Same plane. Then we can draw a circle concentric with this arc. So move to the arc, then center appears. Click. It's not line command, it's a circle by center point command. Okay. Arc, center, and the diamond is 9. That's 9. Enter. So this is a 1. Then move to the arc, get the center, click. Move the arc, get the center, click. So now we have the diamond shape with these small holes around. Right. Click on finish. Then we need to actually use this symmetric extrusion to extrude both to both sides and click finish. So click cancel. The plate is done. But when you check the dimensions here, right, you may realize instead of a diameter as the 6.5, but actually the radius 6.5, actually radius 13. This curve should be placed as a diameter of 24 rather than 12. So if that happened to you, what you can do is you can go back to this shape, move to this one and right click. You can use the edit profile. Okay, then you can change this dimension. Right click it. Make sure it's select that one. Okay, 24. Right. Do the same for that one. 24. Okay. And here, the bottom one. be 26. Right. Okay, then we can click close sketch. You can see the dimension has been changed to the right dimension. Right. This is the second time we try to use the feature pathfinder to explain how to adjust the dimension of a profile. Right, now we have complete this exercise. You can save it and move on to the next. That's the end of this demonstration.